Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a quick and an easy look that I usually do whenever I feel like dressing up a little. So I'm just moisturizing my face and following it with this serum. Both the products are from the Body Shop. I will link all the products down below. And after that I learned this trick from Kajal Beauty, and that is to spray the all-nighter spray, that is the fixing spray, first before your foundation, to make your foundation last even longer. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna spray that all over my face, and after that I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and dab it in. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and use some orange color corrector. I'm using the Kryolan 508 TV stick, and I'm going to use very less product on a flat brush. Like you can see, you guys can actually not even see the orange, but it's just enough to cover up any dark areas under my eyes and around my lips. For the foundation, I'm going to use Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm just going to put some on my beauty blender and dab it on my face. Once the foundation is on, I'm just going to put on some MAC Fix Plus and then go ahead and blend in the foundation. This really helps to give you a very smooth and a blended foundation base. So I'm going to dab some on the top of my eyes. I'm not going to use any concealer because this foundation is already pretty heavy coverage, so it covers my dark circles, so I just don't want to use an extra product. After that, I'm going to set my under eyes with the MAC Studio Fix powder using my beauty blender only. Going ahead with the MAC Studio Fix only, I'm just going to take it on this brush and powder my face, especially the areas which tend to get very oily throughout the day. After that, I'm going to use a loose translucent powder from Mercier, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes to avoid any creases because I do have a lot of fine lines under my eyes. And I'm just also going to apply it on the top of my eyelids. I'm going to use my all-time favorite contour kit from Kat Von D. This is the Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face and jawline with this angled brush, and I'm going to use the same brush and pinch in the bristles to get a sharper edge, and then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. After that, I'm just blending out the contour, and I'm going to go in with the same translucent powder from Mercier and sharpen out my contour using the beauty blender. Once I'm done with that, we're going to move on to the brows, and I'm using my all-time favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz in dark brown, and then I'm going to use this brow powder from the same brand in chocolate and fill in my brows. Now, if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to fill in thicker brows, let me know in the section of comments down below, so I can film a tutorial on how to fill in, fuller brows without making them look scary. After filling in your eyebrows, you always want to brush them upwards and outwards. Right, so now I'm going to go ahead and use this liner. This is a dark brown liner, and I'm just going to roughly line my eyes with it. It has a very creamy formula, so I'm going to go ahead and smudge it with a flat cut brush. Now I did apply some brown eyeshadow also on top of the smudged line to make it look more intense and richer and smoother. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. These are from Primark. I'm gonna add some mascara on my lower lash line. After that, to make my eyes look bigger, I'm going to go ahead and apply some nude liner. This is from Rimmel, ScandalEyes, and this really helps to make my eyes look bigger and gives a fresher look. Now after that, I'm going to use the same cut brush and line the lower lash line, just the half outer edge. Using my all-time favorite blush from Nars, this is the Dolce Vita, and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheekbones right above the contour. Moving on to highlighter, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Gold Sands highlighter, and this is a trick that I love, that is to put MAC Fix Plus on the areas that I would ideally highlight, and then dab that Fix Plus with a beauty blender, and then go ahead and apply the highlighter with the brush, instead of, you know, wetting the brush with the MAC Fix Plus and then applying it, because that does sometimes give you streaks and does not really blend in well. Now I'm going to pop on some highlight in the inner corners and go ahead with this lip color. This is Huda Beauty Icon. And this is the final look. We'll show you guys the up close also.